Hi all, welcome to John's Mama Baking. Today it's the Dalek. There we go. Subscription came through. I'm sure everybody else has as well. We got 1 and 2. Now I have already got 1 on my channel, but I'll do this again anyway. And we also get a free gift as well. There we go. Little key ring. It's rubber. Yeah, nice and flexible that. There we go. Pop that there. Be interesting with number 2, won't it? Because we do get a battery pack. We'll be able to check the stalk, and I'll be able to check the first one that I did as well, make sure I did that okay. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, now let's get on with the build. There we go, those are the parts. There's the magazine. Again, we get another brochure, which turns out to be a big bull star, of course. There we go. That came brilliant. Not to scale, of course, but that's number 2 for me. Brilliant. Here we have the magazine. Let's quickly go through the mag. Okay, now stage 1. There we go. We have Anatomy of a Dalek overview, the Time Vortex, the Time War, Adventures in Time and Space Dalek, and the instructions. There we go. That is the magazine for you. Christopher Eccleston, Billy Piper. Yeah. Kickstarting the Doctor Who. The modern version anyway. And here we have the Dalek eye stalk. So yeah, PCB into the casing, the lens, make sure you get that the correct way around. Yeah, pop that into place, some glue for the nut, and then we completed work. And then we can get on with number 2. There's number 2 and coming in issue 3. Excellent. They're the parts. Let's get on with the build. Okay, let's get the parts out of here. I'll quickly go through the parts. We have A is the eye housing, B is the eye aperture, C is the circuit board casing outer, D is the circuit board casing inner, E is the nut, F is the eye lens, G the circuit board, and H cable with connector marked SX. Excellent. There we go, those are the parts. So first thing we need is the PCB, and it has protective film on it. So we can peel that off, and we need to put it onto this piece of the casing. 3 posts, 3 holes. That one fits just like that. That looks super cool. And then we need to pop this over the top, get those holes lined up again. Get that into place, just like that. That's cool. So now we've got that in place. We need to pop the lens into here. There we go, you can see the shape of the lens. Yeah. Right, so that goes into there. Try not to get your fingers on it, whatever you do. There we go. We'll drop in. You may need a cloth just to. There we go. It's fine that. Yeah, that's popped into place. Excellent stuff. Now we need to pop the PCB in place. 3 tabs. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. They go into the smaller slots. So you got a large slot and a smaller slot. So pop one into there like that. Give it a twist. Twist it as much as you can. There we go. It's just the same as before that actually. Then we put the cable into place. There we go. Just unfurl the cable, straighten it out as much as you can. It's quite kinked, this one. And then we can pop the cable in place. It has SX on the connector, and turn it round and fit it just there, just like that. Next we need these 2, so we need to pop the nut into here, but first of all we need to get some glue for that. Okay, let's get a little bit of glue into here, just enough to make sure that this knot doesn't ever come out, because obviously it is a moving part, but Yeah, you don't want too much glue either. No, it doesn't matter which way the nut goes because it's both the same. Either way, there we go. Pop that in there. Right, give that a minute to set now. There we go. That's not moving now. Excellent. Pop the cable through the middle, follow it all the way around and down, and now we get the larger tabs into the larger slots. Line that up. There we go. Just give it a twist. There we go. That's the eye in place. Excellent. And you can see where the stalk goes afterwards. Brilliant stuff. Right, let's move on to next stage, stage 2. Okay, up here we have stage 2. There we go, those are the parts. There's the battery pack, another circuit board. You can see the start there. And then we have these, I'm not sure what they are, insulators or, well, we'll find out afterwards anyway. Right, let's have a look at the magazine. There we go, so issue 2, the same again, Time Vortex, Davros, Adventures in Time and Space, Genesis of the Daleks, Anatomy of a Dalek, and the step-by-step instructions. Looking cool. There we go, there's Davros, the creator of the Daleks. There's Tom Baker. Excellent Doctor. There we go. The Dalek Mutant, yeah. Can't wait to get hold of that. And we have the Dalek eye stalk. Excellent. So we have the eye arm, insulator large ×2, insulator small ×2, circuit board, insulator medium, arm sleeve rubber washer, battery case for testing functions with cable and connector marked. There we go. So we get the insulators on. So we got C, E and B, and then we have, there we go, B, E and C. Right, okay, excellent. So we get the insulators in place, put the eye through the stalk, and then there's the rubber ring. So the rubber ring goes there, yeah, eye through the stalk, then we can test it. There we go, completed work. And coming again, issue 3. We have begin the construction of the Dalek dome, and in 4 add more detail to the dome with a main front panel which includes the Dalek's unique identification plate plus your first light up component. Excellent stuff. Exterminate, definitely brilliant. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Here are the parts, again taped to the back, so I'll get these out. There we go, those are the parts. So we have 2 large ones, 2 medium, 2 small of the isolators. Okay, then we'll just pop them to one side for now. First of all, we need one of the small insulators, or isolators I should say. Pop that, just push it up there. Same with the medium size one, and then a large one. And then we just need to reverse. There we go. Large, medium, and small. Excellent. That's looking pretty cool, is it not? Next we need this piece, which is 2F. Slide that to there, and then we just need the rubber seal that goes just there like that. That's excellent. Now we need the eye, or the eyepiece. I need to pop that cable all the way through, push it, and then we can test it. Get in. Awkward devil. Is that coming through? You think it should be? Yes, it is. There we go. And we can take up the rest of the cable, and we should be able to screw that home. There we go. So our glue is held. Brilliant. Oh, it's fantastic. Now we can connect it up to the PCB. I'll get some batteries. Okay, now we've got 3 AA batteries in here. Now SX off the start will go into that one because it says it's SX. So I'll plug that into there, and G will go into here, which is the battery, of course. There we go. Right, let's see what happens now. Does that need to be on? It does. Yes, this should glow. There we go, it does glow. Cool. Let's do it with the lights off. Okay, first press. There we go, full glow. Second press. There we go. It reduces. Third press. There we go, back to full glow again. Fourth press, switches off. Excellent stuff. Well, that's coolio, that is it not? Excellent stuff. There we go. So that's stages 1 and 2 complete. Okay, guys, there we go. So stages 1 and 2. Let's give this another whirl. Just pop the light off. There we go. Let's see. Switch it back on. There we go. One press. There we go. Glowing lovely. Second press. Third press. Ooh, and off. Excellent stuff. Now I have got the other one here, so I've got two eyes, so we'll give this a test now. Okay, got this connected up now. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. There she glows. Brilliant. Excellent. So I've got two eyes working now. Can't wait to get the voices. Yeah. Get that, yeah. Get that there. Exterminate. Brilliant stuff. Loving it. Absolutely loving it. Can't wait for next month now. Get 4 stages next month. And how long have we got? It'll be as long as the Titanic this, won't it? Brilliant. Love it. Anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next month for the next 4 stages of this brilliant build. It's going to be huge. Fantastic. I can't stop smiling. Anyway, thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.